Welcome to Learning Hakka Chinese. This video is a reply to our viewers. Now there are two questions in particular. Question number 1. What is the price of a flight ticket to France? Question number 2. How much is this bag of orange cost?
听听客家话，谈谈客家话。Here we go.
Now before we go further into the program, we have to practice counting money. Here are some samples. 1 cent.
1 cent. In Hakka Chinese is 1分钱. In Cantonese is 1分钱. In Mandarin is 1分钱.
10 cents.
10 cents. In Hakka Chinese is 1毫子. In Cantonese is 1毫仔. And in Mandarin is 1毛钱 or 1角钱, 1角钱.
$1.
$1. In Hakka Chinese is 1块钱. In Cantonese is 1蚊. And in Mandarin is 1元 or 1块钱.
Now here are some figures. $2.
$2. In Hakka Chinese is 2块钱. 2块钱.
$5.
$5. In Hakka Chinese is 5块钱. 5块钱.
$5.10.
$5.10. In Hakka Chinese is 5块1毫子. 5块1毫子.
$10.
$10. In Hakka Chinese is 10块钱. 10块钱.
$10.50.
$10.50. In Hakka Chinese is 10块5毫子. 10块5毫子.
$200.
$200. In Hakka Chinese is 200块钱. 200块钱.
As pertaining to question number 1, which is what is the price of a flight ticket to France?
What is the price of a flight ticket to France? In Hakka Chinese is 法國嘅飛機票要幾多錢? 法國嘅飛機票要幾多錢? In Mandarin is 去法國的飛機票要多少錢?
Round trip or one way, or two way or one way.
Round trip or one way in Hakka Chinese is 來回硬係單程. Two way or one way in Hakka Chinese is 雙程 or 單程. In Mandarin is 來回還是單程 or 雙程還是單程.
Here are names of other countries. Japan.
Japan in Hakka Chinese is 日本.
England.
England in Hakka Chinese is 英國.
Germany.
Germany in Hakka Chinese is 德國.
China.
China in Hakka Chinese is 中國.
And USA.
USA in Hakka Chinese is 美國 or 法國.
Now in response to the second question, how much is this bag of orange cost? Now this is a sample of a dialogue between a buyer and a seller. The buyer says, how much is this bag of orange cost?
How much is this bag of orange cost? In Hakka Chinese is 兩台橙仔要幾多錢? 兩台橙仔要幾多錢? In Mandarin is 這袋橘子要多少錢?
Then the seller replies, $5.
$5. In Hakka Chinese is 5塊錢. 5塊錢. In Mandarin is 5塊錢.
Here is another sample of a dialogue between a buyer and a seller. The buyer says, how much for a bag of orange?
How much for a bag of orange? In Hakka Chinese is 产债几多钱一台 or 一台产债要几多钱 In Mandarin is 橘子多少钱一袋
The seller replies, $5 a bag, sir.
$5 a bag, sir. In Hakka Chinese is 5块钱一袋先生5块钱一袋先生 In Mandarin is 先生5块钱一袋
The buyer says, suppose I buy 6 bags. Can I get a good price?
Suppose I buy 6 bags. Can I get a good price? Well, here I have to explain a little. This suppose in English has the same meaning like if. So we can use one of the if that we have mentioned before. In Hakka Chinese, you can say 假如我買6台我可以的後價錢冇 I say it again. 假如我買6台我可以的後價錢冇 In Mandarin is 假如我買6袋你給我什麼價錢
The seller replies, what about $4 a bag?
What about $4 a bag? In Hakka Chinese is 4塊錢一台的冇4塊錢一台的冇 In Mandarin is 4塊錢一袋如何
The buyer says, okay, should in case I find rotten ones, can I carry it back to exchange?
Okay, should in case I find rotten ones, can I carry it back to exchange? Well, I have to explain here again. This should in case has the same meaning like if. So we can use one of the if that we have mentioned before. In Hakka Chinese it will be 昨日如果我存到爛殘債我可以拆裝嚟還冇昨日如果我存到爛殘債我可以拆裝嚟還冇 In Mandarin 行如果我找到爛橘子我可以拿回來換嗎
Then the seller replies, no problem.
No problem. In Hakka Chinese is 冇問題 I say it again 冇問題 In Mandarin is 沒問題